moving on. Ano nga ba yung pwede na lang natin gawin kung we feel like we want to quit nursing and just, try something different? How about you, Mami?
Yeah, first try a different practice of nursing, like community nursing, theater nursing. Kung nakakapagod sa work, try mo mag-theater nursing, mas magaan yung work doon. Pero syempre, kailangan mo magtutunan yung mga routine doon. And then, ano pa ba? Clinics. Isa pa yan, si Daddy, nasa clinic siya. Then, ano pa? Occupational nursing, ganyan.
Yeah.
Private nursing, care home. Mas nakakapagod ang care home.
Marami akong kilala na...
Try different practice.
Yeah. Marami na akong kilala na parang dati, maski kagaya ko siguro, no? Just to give you an example. Kagaya ko nung nandito ako sa bagong dating, nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Medyo, career-oriented ako sa nursing eh. When it comes to career-oriented, hindi naman just about career progression. But talagang kinakarir ko siya. I mean, sinasa puso ko yung pag-nursing ko. Siniseryoso ko maigi na gusto ko, alam ko every corner of what I'm doing. But ngayon, pagdating dito sa UK, nawala yun. Kasi parang hindi mo ka naman kailangan masyado eh. What do you mean, JC? Well, imagine if you're only, let's say, doing washes, medication, giving all the stuff, basic na yan para sa maraming Filipino nurses. And then you only get to train other nurses na kailangan mo lang ipakita kung paano ginagawa mo. Hindi mo kailangan tulungan ng fundamentals, ng theoretical side of things. Then nawala na yung drive ng isang kagaya ko para karirin itong ginagawa ko. Gets niyo yan? So, yun siguro nila nagagawa ng iba. So, I would say, ang nangyari na lang sa akin, parang pera-pera na lang. Meron di ba sa inyong ganun? Until ngayon, siguro pera-pera na lang naging motivation ko kumpara na lang nung maging specialist nurse na ako kasi I manage my own workload, my caseload. So, hindi na pwede sa akin hindi na pwede yung ganun na pera-pera na lang. Kailangan, I know what I'm doing. I really know what I'm doing beyond what other people can see. So every corner of my job I should know kasi it's a very complex role. But for others, minsan pera-pera na lang eh. Huwag ka na masyadong mag-career sa nursing. Ganun yung sinasabi ng iba. Lipat ka na lang kung saan ka masaya, kung saan ka nag-enjoy, saan ka kumikita na maganda, na hindi ka napapagod ng husto, na hindi mo kailangan i-kompromiso yung kaligayahan at yung kalidad ng buhay mo. Kalidad ng buhay, JZ, yes, quality of your life. Kasi kung hindi ka na masaya, kung hindi ka na nag-enjoy, nasan pa quality ng buhay mo, di ba? Bilang nurse. So, hindi mo magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin kasi after ng work, pagod ka na at wala ka na rin, tapos in a month, wala ka rin masyadong kikitain, wala matitira sa ipon mo. Nasa may quality doon. Ano ka na namang lugar or practice of nursing na hindi mo kailangang, hindi mo kailangang magpakadakila, magpakabayani. Kasi, nobody will give you a plaque of recognition for what are you doing. Just to be realistic, Of course, do well in what you're doing, but think about yourself. At the end of the day, it's all about what you really care about. Do you care about mainly of other people at work and patients, or yourself and your family? So think about that, no? I would say be practical, but of course, I'm not promoting na pahinain or babaan yung kalidad ng trabaho natin, no? So, maganda pa rin yung kalidad ng trabaho, but syempre, pumunta ka dun sa lugar na masaya ka na, nag-i-enjoy ka pa, masaya yung tao sa paligid mo, masaya yung mga tumatanggap ng serbisyo mo, at masaya din yung bulsa mo. Now, what other thing na pwede mong i-try dito, Mami?
Pause nursing career or maybe change career ka muna. Pwede kang mag-try ng online job or something like magtinda online, ganyan.
Yeah, why not? Diba? So, first of all, pause nursing career. When you say pause, really, have a break. Have a KitKat. Have a break. Siguro, may sinasawag na sabbatical, diba? Kung may sapat kang ipon, mag-quit ka muna. Break ka muna from nursing. Baka kasi na-burnout ka na ng husto. Kailangan mo ng konting pahinga, hanapin mo ulit yung sarili mo, huminga ka, hindi lang pahinga as in huminga ka, breathe. Okay? And then have a break, stay away from the toxic, let's just say toxic na yung environment mo sa work. mag-sabbatical ka muna. It's up to you. Maybe a month or 2 months, 6 months, a year, no? Kung nakaipon ka ng sapat, if you can afford. I know nurses who are doing that. I don't know how. Kung makaipon, siguro wala. Kasi the person that I know, or the people that I know, wala pa kasi silang pamilya, kaya afford pa nila. But if you think you can do that, maybe, have a pause from doing nursing job. And maybe while you are away, you can explore something else na ibang bagay na pwede mong magawa, na pwede mong ma-enjoy at pagkakitaan din naman, then you can do that. Perhaps you will learn more about other careers and then you research about it, study about it, and then maybe you can consider switching to a different career. So, yun pwede yung isang mga bagay na pwede mo i-consider, di ba? And lastly, what you can do if sawa ka na sa nursing is
Start a business kung meron ka namang sapat na ipon, di ba? Mas mag-grow ka dun sa business kumpara sa nursing. Kasi syempre, ikaw na yung magmamanage ng sarili mong business. Ikaw na yung may hawak ng sarili mong oras. So, yeah.
Exactly. Why not start a business? So, kami yun yung binibuild namin ngayon, no? Business on the side. Na, kasi, actually, sawa na rin ako. Ikaw, sawa ka na ba sa nursing?
Hindi pa naman. Kakabalik ko lang eh.
Hindi pa naman kasi
From
medyo...
maternity.
Kasi si Mami, marami siya naging break from nursing and hindi rin siya nakapag-practice ng nursing dito. Siyempre, she needed to qualify first to practice as a nurse in the UK. So, hindi pa siya ganun kababad sa nursing. Unlike
Dahil
ko,
kung naging maternity leave bago makapag-practice ng nursing.
parang hindi ka pa nakaka 1 year straight practice of nursing, no?
Mag 1
bumalik
year pa
ka,
lang.
April
oo. Pero may expire na NMC ko next year. Agad-agad.
So, yun, di ba? Hindi pa siya nakaka-straight na 1 year practice of nursing, so I don't blame her na she's not
Pa
getting
ako burn out.
having enough. Yeah, she's not having enough of BTF. Unlike ko, 6 years
6
na akong
years ka na.
nurse, more than 6 years na akong nurse straight dito sa UK. More than 5 years full-time nurse, and then part-time nurse. And then in the Philippines, more than 4 years. So that's like 10 years of nursing. For me, I respect others. They don't feel like that's already a long period, but for me, it feels like already a long one. I think I've done my part. I've done my share. I've given my share dito sa bansa na to. And I want to move on to doing things that I really like. So I'm stepping away from nursing slowly, gradually, and carefully, of course. Kasi, of course, I gotta be careful sa mga ganitong decision dahil may pamilya ako nakadepende sa akin. I'm a father and I'm a husband, so I gotta be careful in doing and taking these steps. So what I'm saying is, why not start a business? Do something else. If you're the type of person that you really have a dream to pursue something else that you really enjoy, and you want to profit more, then why not start a business? Of course, you gotta take considerable amount of effort to study what you want to do. Whether kung ano man yan, different career man yan or business, then for me, practically, dun na ako sa medyo mas magiging maganda yung return. Let's just say investment of time, investment of effort, or ROI, return of investment, then doon ako sa mas malaki yung return sa akin, which is in the form of business kung saan hindi nakabase sa oras mo yung kikitain mo. Of course, sa umpisa medyo mahirap. Malamang mas marami yung effort mo kumpara sa nagiging profit mo. But in the long run, as long as you are consistent and you know what you're doing, you're studying what you're doing, you're studying your actions, you're laying out your plans properly, you have a plan in place, I'm sure you will succeed. So, why not start a business? Consider that. Maybe talk to your husband, talk to your wife, if you want to consider that, and think about it, pray about it, and hopefully you will be able to find one and stay away or step away from nursing. I mean, I'm not discouraging people to continue nursing. It's just that, of course, it's not for everyone. And if you feel like you want to do something else, you don't want to work for 40 years as a nurse, then the time to start is now, not later on. You can start this even while you're working as a nurse. Like us. Dami kong hangin. I'm so gassy. Even like us, no, you can do it on the side until it grow bigger than your nursing career. Then that's gonna be safer. There's no standard way naman of doing it. It depends on your situation in life. Okay, so I think that is it for this episode. Thanks everyone. We have people watching on the Coffee Break YouTube channel, the Lucius Life YouTube channel, and the Coffee Break Facebook page. We don't know who's watching, and we have more people coming in. Kung kailan patapos na tayo. So we just see the numbers here on our dashboard here. But thanks everyone for tuning in on this episode. And if you found value from this episode, could you please do us a favor? Please give this video a like to give it a little boost, and that will greatly help the channel and also help us to create more contents like this.
It's gonna be a good day. Chase our shadows down the bay, watch the seagulls fly.